What's up, guys? We've got another relatively simple integral here today. We have the integral of sine cubed x over the square root of cosine x. And so we see sines and cosine. This is typically a time where we want to do a u substitution. The only thing is, if we did the sine was the u, then cosine would have to be the du. That wouldn't really work. Cosine's in the denominator. So we would think, use cosine as u. Sine is in the numerator, that's good, but sine is to the power of 3, not to the power of 1, which is the issue. We can actually fix that. We just have to break up sine into sine x times sine squared x over the square root of cosine x still, and then our dx. The reason for doing this is because sine squared x is actually the same thing as 1 minus cosine squared x. And now, if you notice, our sine x is just completely on the outside, technically multiplied by everything, and we have two cosines. So here we can actually do our u substitution now. U equals cosine x, and du will equal negative sine x. We don't have this negative, but we bring a negative inside, we just make a negative outside, so it works fine. So if we do our u substitution now, we'll still have the negative on the outside, but actually our u sub, doing that, we'll have 1 minus u squared over the square root of u du. Now all we have to do now is we're going to break this into two fractions. So negative on the outside still, we will have u to the negative 1/2, I'm just trying to get all the fractions now, minus u to the 3/2. Because u squared is the same as u to the 4/2, minus u to the 1/2, we're going to get u to the 3/2. And now it's fractions, so it's not perfectly nice, but it's still just going to be our reverse power rule. So u to the negative 1/2 is going to change into 2u to the 1/2. And then minus, so u to the 3/2 changes into 2/5 u to the 5/2. And then we'll have a plus c still. And what we're going to do now, we're just going to simplify a little bit. So first we're going to distribute this negative into both these terms. So that will change this into negative 2u to the 1/2, and then it will be plus 2/5 u to the 5/2, and then still plus c. And then lastly, we're just going to back substitute. Remember, u equals cosine x, so we'll have negative 2 square root of cosine x plus 2/5 cosine x to the power of 5/2. And then don't forget our plus c one last time, and then that is our final answer.